These sound similar. Avenge, revenge. But one small mistake. Sounds wrong. He avenged his brother. Correct. He revenged his brother. No. That's the difference. Avenge is for someone else. His brother was hurt. He takes action. He avenges him. But revenge? That's personal. You take revenge for something done to you. They hurt you. You want revenge. And here's the key. You don't revenge someone. You take revenge. Or you revenge yourself. That's the difference. Avenge someone. Take revenge. Same idea. Different direction. Use the wrong one, and it sounds off.